Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for March 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, Sag, let's see. Ano yung update sa inyo? First half ng March. Transits, changes, or merong certain experience na like, ano siya eh, pagbabago. Okay? Pagbabago na, alam mo yung feeling na dumadaan na yung pagbabago sa buhay mo, pero parang you are still holding on to something na parang kumakapit ka pa rin doon sa sitwasyon na kailangan ng magbago. Okay? But I feel like this is going to lead you to a new beginning. Neptune vision. And strength dignified. Oh. Okay, so maaring maglalakas loob na kayo, no? Sa inyong mga pangarap, yung inyong mga visions, yung inyong mga imagination, yung mga goals ninyo na visualize nyo na. But somehow you need to let go of something, no? Meron kailangan i-let go kasi para makuha mo yung goals mo, kailangan yung kamay mo ay malaya na may nagagawa para dun sa goal mo na yon, 'di ba? You have to free your hands to take action and do something about your goals. And I feel like ito na yung time na marirealize mo na sige, kailangan ko talaga ng consistency, kailangan ko talaga ng commitment. So i-commit mo yung sarili mo sa mga goals mo. Meron kang gustong ma-achieve eh. Yung iba sa inyo, itong pangarap nyo na to, ito yung maglalagay sa inyo sa parang, not actually pedestal, but pwedeng pedestal, or it's like a certain position eh, na position na kung saan people will acknowledge you. People will recognize your skills. Makikilala ka. Overall energy, the Lovers. So this is about commitment. So maaring iba sa inyo, first half ng March, papasok sa isang commitment. This can be a committed relationship, commitment sa trabaho, sa business. This also needs yung major decision. May choice kasi rito na kailangan yung piliin. There's a choice to make. Your challenge is the Queen of Swords. So maaring sa ngayon medyo confused kayo of what to do, on which direction to take, kasi nagiging sigurista kayo na dapat hindi ako magkakamali, or dapat magiging successful to. So, kaya lang, minsan, na-overthink natin yung mga bagay-bagay, diba? And when we overthink things, nade-delay yung progress. Your opportunity is the Star. Wow, ang ganda. As an opportunity, this is you na alam mo yung gusto mo. Okay? The Star, this is about your dreams, your hopes, your fulfillment. So, you have the opportunity na ma-fulfill mo yung goals mo, yung pangarap mo. And then, your blessing is the Ace of Cups. Merong new source of happiness. This can be a new job, a new career, a new relationship. Tignan natin in what area of life. Oh, this is about you loving yourself. Oo, maaring you are healing, you are improving your skill set, yourself, so that's why nagkakaroon ka ng Yung mas lumalakas yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Mas nagiging confident ka. And then may mga butterflies dito, so that means transformation, changes. You are embracing who you really are. Nagpapakatotoo ka na sa sarili mo. Money, career, finances. Oh, Three of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Alam niyo, iba sa inyo, if you are starting a new job, a new business, hindi siya magiging madali, no? May mga times na parang panghihinaan ka ng loob dahil pwedeng may disappointment, pwedeng i-challenge ka talaga ng universe kung gaano ka committed dito sa bagong opportunity na to sa'yo, sa career, sa business. But, i-continue mo lang, no? I-continue mo lang yan kasi andun ka pa lang sa simula eh. 'Di ba? And you have the opportunity to grow whatever you have planted. Okay? Na dito mo masusukat kung gaano mo kagusto itong ginagawa mo. Itong career, trabaho, or business na to. Sa yung love life, Page of Wands, Page of Cups. So, I see a new relationship here. Pwedeng hindi naman sobrang bago. Na parang kakakilala nyo lang. Ano siya, nade-develop. Kumbaga, pwedeng matagal na kayo magkakilala and eventually nade-develop kayo sa isa't isa. And you're thinking if you have the same feelings for each other. Okay? So, maaring meron person na maglalakas ng loob na magpahayag ng kanyang nararamdaman dun sa other person or ikaw tong magpapahayag ng nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Ang nakikita ko kasi rito is madalas kayong magkasama. Oo, kaya or madalas kayo nag-uusap, kaya kayo ay napapalapit sa isa't isa. You are spending a lot of time together. Some of you medyo matigas ang ulo. Yung iba meron kayo ditong pinipilit na alam nyong hindi na nagwo-work para sa inyo. So, there is a new destination or a new route, a new direction na tatahakin ninyo. You really have to be strategic dito sa bagong direction na to kasi para siyang para siyang puzzle na kailangan mong pag-isipan bago mo siya buuhin. 'Di ba? This includes stamina. Kailangan malakas yung pangangatawan mo. Ito yung tipong hindi ka basta-basta nag-give up. Kasi definitely you will see great results for dito sa pinupurso mo. Pwedeng career path or business. Yan, very confident ka, energetic as well. So, use your energy to your advantage kasi talagang parang may gigil dito eh. There can be, maaaring merong mga tao na isi-shame ka or ipapahiya ka or parang, alam mo yun, let's say, meron kang project tapos yung iba kukutsain yung project mo or meron silang sasabing masama tungkol sa project mo. Parang somehow, ang tawag doon, yung, hindi ko masabi yung word, na, yung, para lang hindi makumbinse yung iba sa ginagawa mo. Pwedeng siraan ka, ganon. So, you have to be strong. Acceptance, embrace who you are. Yes, this is about being true to yourself, true to your dreams. Kailangan totoo ka sa mga pangarap mo kasi mararamdaman yan ng pangarap mo kung totoo ka ba sa kanya. Kasi diba, pangarap mo maging artista, pero wala ka namang ginagawang effort. Hindi talaga yun mamamanifest para sa'yo. So, you really have to align with the energy na nire-require nung goals mo. Diba? Okay, you have the 8th house, Sagittarius, Neptune. 8th house is transformation. Other people's money. So, maaring meron kang ideas on how to invest, create money, especially sa sa abroad, or parang siya, yung international trading, pwedeng may ganong opportunity for you. 8th house is also about sexual connections, no? So, maaring mas magiging adventurous ka sa sexual relationships mo ngayong first half ng March. Okay, so that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.